Hey guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. Thank you.
Familiar, you're familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
So hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanvirvan. So guys, today's video is going to be much more interesting because in this video I'll be showing you that how you can earn from your YouTube channel without monetization or without showing any kinds of ads. So this topic is really interesting in YouTube now because that's the trending topic on YouTube. So how you can earn money, and in this video we'll be showing you that how you can get a sponsorship for for your small YouTube channels. So even if you have 200 subscribers, then you can get a huge sponsorship and earn a huge amount of money from this site. So I'll be introducing you to a new site to get sponsorship. You know that Famebit is going to be closed soon, June or July 31st. Famebit will be closed. So from now you can get sponsorship from freedom.tm. So that's a pretty trusted website from you can get sponsorship for your YouTube channel. So that's a pretty trusted website. So you will find this link, join link, in the video description. So you just have to open the link and click on the side menu bar, or you will see the action bar. So it can get copyright strike or copyright issue, so that I can show there is a video. So from there you have to click on join us. So there will be a join us button. You have to click on it. So click on join us and it will redirect you here. So here you have to select your account. So I will select my account from here. After I will sign up. So all the steps of sign up I will show you. So let me select your account. So I've selected account and here you have to click on create a free dashboard account. So you just have to click on this blue button here, you can see. Just click on it and here you have to enter your information. So just enter your name, username. So I'm entering my username. Here you can see available users name. Just select one and then select your birth date. So select any of it. So I'm selecting as example. Then you have to select your language. So I'm selecting English. Then you have to select your country. As example, I'm selecting my one, and then that's the main part. So here you have to select for the benefits, sponsorships and free content, etc. So you have to select that one. Then you have to tick all this. So I have read all the agreements and you are over 18 years old. So then after that you have to sign in to my dashboard. Click on it and it will redirect you to a new page. So sorry guys, so here you have to click on OK. After that scroll down and click on sign into my freedom account. Click on it, check everything, is it okay or not. So here you can see sign up complete. So now we have to go to our logins. So just click on this action bar and click on sign in. Click on sign in and it will redirect you to the sign in option. So here you just select your account from you by which one you signed in. So I'm selecting my one. So here you have to give permission, all the permissions. So let's add a channel, click on the submit channel for partnership review. So select your account, and here you just have to allow. So after that it will review your account, and you will be invited to this program. So let me show you how you can get payment. So after reviewing this channel, you can earn money, you can get sponsorship, so you can get a review unit for your YouTube channel and earn money. You will get money for making a review of a product, and you will get this product free, and you will get money for the review also. So earnings, click on earnings, and here you have to set up your payment method. So let me set it up and set up, and here you can see it has sent me a code in my account. So let me find the code. It has sent me a code. I will show you later. So it has sent me, here you can see, check your email, sent me a code. Your freedom application partnership. Here you can see that's the code 486298 48698. So here you can see you can get payment by 3 payment methods. You can get bank transfers, PayPal money transfer, and Payoneer. So I will recommend you to get payment from Payoneer, because Payoneer is the simplest way where you can get payment. So select Payoneer and add your account. After that you can edit, so you can get regular payment and advance payment. I will select regular payment, then click on save changes. That's all for here. Freedom payment profile. So here you can see your details. All the details are here. So how you can earn, so click on dashboard. When your account will be verified and accepted for the partnership, it will show all the sponsorship up here. Okay, so you can earn more from here. You can refer a friend, or you can use all these features from here. After by clicking here, you can earn, you can play and earn from here. So that's a pretty interesting site. You can get sponsorship, you can earn from referrals and everything. So I'm not earning, guys. I have given you a fresh link, not a referred link, so I'm not earning. So if you like this video, guys, then you can hit the like button, and also you can subscribe to our channel. So that's the interesting site. Thanks for watching, guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and also you can subscribe to our channel. So help me to grow our channel. We have only 1300 subscribers in our YouTube channel. So I'm uploading videos regularly, so you can subscribe and help us. So guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned with our channel.